Hey guys, I hope this actually works because I just got a new phone, and I really hope that everything, both the focus, the view, and the light and sound is good on this. So let's give it a go. I can sort of see the light is changing a little bit, but I'll have to look at that. Um, and there is autofocus on this. That's so damn nice. All right, we have a dimple lock here, and we have a bidding. Come on, you can do it. That's the best I can do. 5 pins, and I actually have 2 of these. I have another one with another bidding. These were on sale, so I bought both of them. There was only 2 of them left. And yeah, let's just give it a go and see if I can get it picked. I will just hold it in my hand. By the way, I have modified a pick for this. Hope you can sort of see the tip there is a little bit bent. That's what I did because it is a very narrow keyway, and with this I can barely get around the warding, but it usually does work. So let's see if I can do it on camera. Come on. There we go. Don't lose it. There we have it. All right, so it got picked. All right, 5-pin dimple bike lock. What did that take? 3 minutes? 2.5, 3 minutes? That was not bad. All right, that was just a quick video to pick this and to see if this works fine. I think I have to work on the lighting. It seems to change a lot. But yeah, tell me if the focus and everything works fine. Sound, view, everything. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.